Welcome to Simple Fantastic Kitchen. Today we're going to make super healthy, high-protein strawberry cottage cheese ice cream. You'll need just a few ingredients, starting with 1 cup of fresh strawberries. Then you'll need a good food processor. I'm using a super cute Cuisinart mini food processor. I use this for smaller jobs because for me, this unit provides easier cleanup than my full-sized food processor. I'll leave a link in the description for the mini food processor and all the other products I'm using today in case you want to check them out. Then you'll need 1 cup of full-fat cottage cheese, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and as an optional addition, I recommend using 1/8 teaspoon of xanthan gum, which is considered a natural stabilizer that helps prevent ice crystals from forming and is often used in organic food products. Now let's add the ingredients to our mini food processor. First, add 1 cup of full-fat cottage cheese. Next, 1 cup of whole strawberries, then 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, now blend it all together by going back and forth between chop and grind on the mini Cuisinart, holding each button for 30 seconds about 2 times each. The whole cycle should take about 2 minutes. Okay, the ice cream batter is ready. First, you remove the blade, then get as much of the ice cream batter as you can from it into your container. Then pour the ice cream batter into a loaf pan or a freezer-safe ice cream container, which is what I'm using today. Now use a spatula to get everything into your container. Using a freezer-safe ice cream container ensures that your ice cream will stay fresher longer. I recently bought these adorable ice cream containers, and I think they're awesome. They come in a set of 2. They even come with these adorable writing labels, which I will use today. What an adorable container. Now it's time to put your container in the freezer overnight. I've taken it out of the freezer and it looks great. Best practices are to take it out of the freezer about a half an hour or so before you want to consume it, so that it's soft enough to scoop. Once it's ready, just scoop, serve, and enjoy. The full recipe is in the description below. The product links are in the description as well. For more recipes, subscribe to Simple Fantastic Kitchen.